We started actually, we're maybe a little bit different than some other presenters that have been up here before. We actually started the business right here in Ann Arbor. We're both U of M students. We started out of our own apartments and dorm rooms, and then we ended up moving to the Tech Arb at some point. We worked at the Tech Arb for 8 months. Then we graduated from the Tech Arb. We ended up working out of our homes for another couple weeks. Then we had an office on Main Street. And then we actually ended up raising $1.2 million, and we're in California right now. We just flew in this morning, and we're really excited about kind of the progress. And the whole time that we've been here, we've taken advantage of all the opportunities from the Center for Entrepreneurship and also from the community.
Yeah, and in those 2 years, Verdi just gave, we kind of glossed over a lot of the nitty-gritty things that happened. So we sort of put together a list of sort of what we learned building this company. So it starts with an idea.
Yeah. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to go through basically the first thing we'd like to do is cover just our appreciation for everybody being here. And the second thing we'd like to do is go through the presentation, and at the end we'll do some Q&A. So thank you everybody for being here. I know this is one class that you could take amongst a group of classes, but I think in a lot of ways this is the most valuable class because you're actually hearing from people that are on the street and people that are very relevant to where you're at right now. I know a year and a half ago, I was actually sitting in that seat watching the creator of FeedBurner give a presentation. So we're really relevant right now. And it just takes a lot to be here. So thank you so much. And thank you for the Center for Entrepreneurship for providing this great program. So innovation comes from connecting two things. So this is actually the result of just thinking, what if we put a register online? Like that was literally the start of how this whole business got started. What if we take a cash register and we put it online? And that was the entire business for about a year. And then we went to CES in January of 2011 and we connected two more things. We saw all the tablets that were coming onto the market and we thought, what if we take the touchscreen technology on a tablet and just run our software on it? That was a second opportunity where we just connected two things. And I think a lot of people, when they're thinking of a new business idea, it's like, we have to go and we have to change, we have to put somebody on Mars, or we get these ideas that we have to go and change the world in some huge, huge, huge way. But some of the most incredible, profound ideas come from just taking two simple concepts and connecting them together. And so that's why when we look at ideas, it tends to be a this for that kind of thing. Like, I don't know, songs that are online, or a point-of-sale system online, or a toothbrush that's affordable for everybody. And these kind of two simple concepts of connecting two things are how innovation occurs. So that's the point that we're trying to make there.